Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I've been getting some questions regarding my English strategies which I'll be sharing today. तो मैंने English में क्या किया था, keep it short and simple. So we have two stages, pre and mains, जिसमें English का level, the syllabus is same but the level obviously is different. So for pre, what you have to do is, first of all you have to cover all your basic topics. All your basic topics आपको from the scratch learn all the rules, go through them thoroughly and उसके बाद just start attempting mocks. So अब ये करना कहाँ से है? तो मैंने जो follow किया था that was I followed Udisha ma'am's videos on YouTube. So basically YouTube पे what you can do is you can type let's say आपने pronouns type किया, so pronouns Udisha ma'am, you can type like that, or you can even follow Harshita ma'am for the same. I like both the educators and मैंने अपने sources एकदम limited रखे थे. मैंने बहुत सारे varied channels नहीं follow किए थे. I was comfortable with these two educators, so I restricted myself to them and they worked very well for me. So Udisha ma'am and Harshita ma'am for your foundation. ठीक है, and उसके बाद once you start completing your chapters like that, let's say आप लोगों ने आज pronouns complete किया, let's say आज आप लोगों ने pronouns complete किया, one chapter one video by Udisha ma'am, और जब आपने pronouns complete किया उसके बाद क्या करना, pronouns का search for IBPS PO और IBPS clerical, SBI PO pronouns, and similarly you will get a lot of videos on YouTube regarding the questions, जो probable questions जैसे आते हैं exams में based on pronouns. So attempt ऐसे वाले quizzes, or you can even go online and search on any website for the quizzes. Basically motive इसकी अब हमें practice करना है. So foundation बनाया पहले अपना, practice करी, उसके बाद okay, now further what we have to do, so this way you're going to prepare for pre. ठीक है, आप foundation अपनी strong करेंगे, then you just have to practice from YouTube resources, practice from online quizzes, attempt करो anything, whichever thing works for you. Mocks attempt करो, mocks English में mocks are definitely helpful pre के लिए. Okay, now comes the main stage. Now mains में obviously there is difference in the level of the examination. You have to be a little analytical because even when it comes to reading comprehension, it's not simple जैसे pre में आया था direct questions दे देंगे and you have to pick the answers from there. ऐसा नहीं होने वाला है. Mains में you have to really understand what the passage is saying because questions भी वहाँ पे वैसे होंगे. What do you infer from the passage? And बहुत ऐसे वाले questions होंगे wherein you need your understanding. उसके बिना it will be very difficult. तो to develop that habit of reading, what you can do is see questions, वो reading comprehensions आते भी एक general topic पे हैं, as in banking related news. So what you can do is कि anyway you have to read GA every day for the examination anyway. तो आपको एक हैबिट बनानी है कि आप एक पैराग्राफ भी, इवन इफ यू नॉट रीडिंग न्यूज़पेपर, आप न्यूज़पेपर का कोई भी आर्टिकल ऑनलाइन आपको मिल जाएगा, बस उसे रीड करने की हैबिट करनी है. दैट्स इट, जस्ट हैबिट बनानी है. जस्ट यू हैव टू एनालाइज योरसेल्फ कि आप समझ पा रहे हैं या नहीं समझ पा रहे हैं. टेक एनी बैंकिंग रिलेटेड टॉपिक एंड जस्ट ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड, रीड इट एंड ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड. पहली बार में नहीं आएगा, दूसरी बार में नहीं आएगा, यू डोंट हैव टू वरी. जस्ट गिव योर सेल्फ टाइम एंड विद टाइम वो प्रैक्टिस के साथ हो ही जाता है. यू विल डेवलप दैट काइंड ऑफ अंडरस्टैंडिंग. Similarly, English के लिए again for mains what I did was कि mains के लिए मैं mocks नहीं लगाती थी. Mains के लिए I used to follow YouTube sources. So YouTube में I used to type IBPS PO mains and English questions. ठीक है, by Harshita ma'am और Udisha ma'am, both of them work for me. So this is what I used to do for English and अच्छा से हो गया. And mains में we also have this descriptive thing with us. Last 30 minutes में we are required to write an essay and a précis or a letter. So in all these with respect to all these things, आपको क्या करना है कि देखो, it's basically जैसे हमारे स्कूल में आता था वैसा ही है, format and everything it's kind of similar. But to update yourself, एक बार brush up करने के लिए what you can do is आप हर्षिता मैम की वीडियोस देखिए YouTube पे. वो amazing वीडियोस हैं and you will definitely get a grasp of how things are to be done. That's all from my side. I think this strategy is going to help you because see my sources are very limited. वो very very limited. मैंने सिर्फ 2 educators को follow किया and English has been nice for me. मेरे लिए अच्छा it worked out. I hope it works out for you too. If you have any questions, you can definitely pin down in the comment section. I wish you all the best. If you like the content, so please subscribe to my channel so that together we can learn and grow. Thank you.